Hello everyone, it's Terry here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am sharing a card that I created using the Box of the Month kit from Not Too Shabby. And I want to start off that I do apologize about my voice. I am recovering from a cold. Hopefully you guys are okay with listening to me like this. But enough of that, let's get started. For this card, the stamp set that I decided to use is the fancy Birdcage, and what I'm doing here is I'm selecting some of the greenery in the set and I'm stamping that onto white cardstock. I am using VersaFine Ink because I do plan on heat embossing this part. I also went in and stamped out one of the bird cages in the center of the white cardstock with VersaFine Ink as well. Now going in with clear embossing powder, I applied that all over the card front, making sure to tap off any excess powder. Then going in with my heat gun, I went ahead and heat set the front panel. Using a nice black ink, I went in and stamped out two of the bird silhouettes on the bird cage, as well as the sentiment. I then went in with clear embossing powder and applied that over the inked images, and again heat set that with my heat gun. So to create the background, I went in with my blending brushes, and I'm using Distress Oxide inks in Tattered Rose and Abandoned Coral, and I'm going around the outer edges of the card front, starting off with the lighter shade first, then going in with the darker one. And once I'm satisfied with the blending, I went in and splattered some water all over the card panel. I like to add extra interest onto my card front, so I went in and sprayed a shimmer spray, as well as splatter on some gold and white paint. And here's a close-up of how it looks. Okay, so now it's time to assemble the card together. I trimmed down the card panel to 4 by 5¼ inches, and I adhered that onto a black matted cardstock. I then went in and used liquid adhesive and adhered that onto a white top folding card base. And for the final touches, I went in and applied gold baubles here and there. And there you have it. The card is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.